Can spinning a blower motor by hand while it is energized cause damage or create a hazard? A blower motor can be harmed by free spinning because it relies on proper load and designed operating conditions to manage heat, lubrication, and electrical timing. When power is applied and the rotor is turned by hand, the motor may draw abnormal currents or fail to energize windings correctly, producing excessive heating in localized areas that degrades insulation and shortens life. Permanent split capacitor motors and electronically commutated motors behave differently, so identify the motor type first. Permanent split capacitor motors have a start and run capacitor that control phase, while electronically commutated motors use internal electronics that expect controlled commutation. Always isolate power at the breaker and verify 0 volts with a meter before touching the shaft, and mechanically secure fan blades so stored energy will not spin the rotor unexpectedly. If you need to check free rotation, do so with the system completely de-energized and supported, and turn the shaft slowly to feel for rough spots or bearing resistance. Roughness suggests worn bearings and should be replaced rather than forced. When testing electrical circuits, use proper test methods such as locked rotor current measurement or manufacturer-recommended bench procedures instead of manual spinning with power present. The first common mistake is assuming free spinning under power proves the motor is okay. That can mask electrical faults and cause overheating, so always test electrically with the system isolated, then run the motor under normal load or follow manufacturer test sequences. The second mistake is spinning a shaft quickly by hand, which can damage bearings or the electronic commutation module. Turn the shaft slowly and feel for bearing play and replace bearings or the motor if there is roughness. The third issue is failing to disconnect capacitors before working on a permanent split capacitor motor. A charged capacitor can feed current and cause unexpected rotation or shock, so discharge capacitors safely with a resistor and confirm they are neutral before proceeding. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options for blower motor repair and whole system service, and we connect contractors with homeowners who need work. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share testing tips and safe practices for projects.